How to download M&T Bank mobile app on your Android phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for M&T. If you cannot find the bank app over here, what you can do is, you can head over to your preferred web browser. Now search for M&T Bank app. It'll give you the Play Store link of the app, and right below that you can see the install option. You can tap on it. It'll take you to your Play Store. As you can see, this app is not available in my country, so I'm not able to download this app on my phone. But if it supports in your region, you'll be able to easily download this app on your phone. You will see the install button right here. You can tap on it and download this app on your Android phone. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once it completes the installation process, you can launch the app and start using the app. So that's how you can easily download M&T Bank mobile app on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.